Hey folks, it's that time again. Thursday, cooking with Kevin. So this one, we're gonna have a huge shout out to Catherine's Plate because this is one that she just showed on her channel. I know Kelly doesn't have the same subscribers as Catherine, so Kelly asked her, is it okay if I did it for Thursday Cooking with Kevin? She said go ahead. So nice shout out to Catherine's Plate. So what are we doing? We're doing a Philly cheesesteak pasta. And as I'm looking at all my ingredients, of course, you know, one thing I forgot to bring out. So what do we got? 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Our pasta, you can use any pasta you want. I know Catherine used kind of like
big shells of
seashell type stuff. We're gonna use, it's more of a rigatoni pasta. We're doing that. We have onion, pepper. She used green pepper. We're using a mix of orange, red, yellow pepper, and we're actually gonna add in mushrooms because I like mushrooms. Beef broth, some butter, better than bouillon. It's a paste, I think. It's a paste, and it's actually made from real stock and stuff. Some minced garlic, salt, pepper, Lee Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, and so we couldn't find just strictly provolone cheese, so we got a mix of Italiano. So it's got a mixture of provolone, pizza mozzarella, Romano, and Edmond.
I think Catherine actually had a mix of mozzarella and provolone.
Wow, she very well could have. Yeah. Anyways, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute all our vegetables.
Listen to that sizzle.
And that's about 1.5 peppers, full onion, whatever leftover mushrooms we had, because they were from the other night when we had a nice delicious steak.
I don't like mushrooms, but I will eat it when it's been mixed in with stuff like this.
So we're just going to cook this down a little bit, saute it up. Then we're going to add the meat, so we'll bring you back when we add the meat.
Okay. Oh, you got to put a little salt and pepper into the veggies.
Oh, yes, that's right. Salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Woo! That was a lot of salt, dude.
Whose channel is this?
Mine.
Your channel, my show. So we're just going to let that cook down a little bit. I don't know if anybody's seen it, but I had some olive oil added in there to help cook down the vegetables. Okay, we'll bring you back and we'll put the meat in. Okay, so now we're adding in the garlic. About a tablespoon or whatever.
It was a bunch of cloves that I shredded up for you.
Hamburger.
Look, Catherine, he's using our hamburger musher.
Yeah.
Ours is from Pampered Chef. You got raw meat right there.
See, this is why I don't like it.
Yay.
Mushes up. So we're going to cook this down. We're going to drain it. So when we're ready to do that, we'll bring it back. Okay, we've drained the meat. We're going to add our roughly, if you look at Catherine's Plate's instructions, it's 2 cans of 283 ml Campbell's broth and then an extra cup of water with the Better Than Bouillon mix. But so we did just a little over 3 cups, and we added the Better Than Bouillon in here just to add a little bit more flavor. So we're just gonna pour that in. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And a little bit extra for flavor. That's kind of how we roll around here. So, I'm going to try and bring this up to a little bit of a boil and add in our pasta. So, roughly, being called for 8 ounces, so roughly 2/3 of the box, because this is almost a 14-ounce box.
I think you're gonna have to add more liquid because you really want it to be completely covered, the pasta.
It will once it starts boiling. So perhaps this is my channel.
It's not your channel, it's your show.
Sorry, my show, your channel. Perhaps you should just be quiet.
No.
And it will boil up.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's why if you look, when Catherine did it, she's doing exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Pushing it down in. So
Catherine, I still think he needs more liquid.
So one thing I forgot to mention, we're not going to put the instructions in the description down below, but we will put catherinesplates.com address into the description down below, so that you can click and go to her website. She actually has a lot of different recipes. Really great. We've used
a couple of them.
So far, and as you can see here now, it's going to start coming up to a boil.
Yum.
We're going to let that come up to a full boil, and then we're going to turn it down, put the lid on, and then stir it about every 5 minutes.
You're driving Brenda nuts.
Yep. Okay, so we will bring you back when it's time to put the final touch on top, which is going to be the provolone cheese. Okay, we're done. All the water is gone, and now we kind of have a nice, kind of juicy casserole. All the pasta's cooked. So the last thing we gotta do here is add about 8 ounces of cheese. I'm guessing what 8 ounces is.
It's a cup.
Is it a cup?
Okay, that's plenty. That's plenty.
Okay, and then we're just gonna mix it all in. It's gonna melt all on its own. Whoops. Well, that's the only.
Daddy made a mess.
You know what? That's the.
Daddy made a mess, Brody. You didn't go and catch it?
The chances you take when you. I guess because if we had a bigger deep dish, you know. But we didn't. But it's.
Oh yeah. Let me show you that cheesy niceness.
Yeah. Come on over here.
Oh, look at that.
And there you have it. The what do we call it? The Philly cheesesteak pasta. So we're just gonna scoop a little bit here.
It's cheesy.
There I have it.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Tastes just like Philly cheesesteak.
Cool.
Eat a pasta. Okay.
You just flung something off your
Yeah.
finger.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for joining us. For anybody who's new to the channel, don't forget to click subscribe below. Click on the bell notification. Get notifications when the videos come up. And make sure you look in the descriptions below as well. We're going to put catherinesplates.com website down there so you can go and get this recipe for this delicious supper. Anyways, thank you very much, and we'll see everybody next week.